This is Markt. Yes, one of the biggest tech and electronic store in Spain. So let's go.
Nomads.
What does it feel like to buy an iPhone in Spain? Yes. Hello folks, you're welcome again to my channel. Yes, today we are going to be going to buy an iPhone live from a tech store in Spain. Want to see the process and what it entails? Come with me. Hola everybody. So we are live at an electronics store in Spain here. Yeah, I'm going to be getting the iPhone, showing you the process of all it entails so that in case you wish to buy a phone or even an iPhone in Spain, you should make the right choice. This is Markt. Yes, one of the biggest tech and electronic store in Spain. So let's go. So the norm is that whenever you get to this place, you have to take a number first. And these are one of the few things I do not like. Yes, you have to wait. Lots of people are around here waiting to buy a gadget too. So wait for your turn till it gets to the next one. Okay, guys, as I visit MediaMarkt today to purchase an iPhone, I'm reminded of my past experiences with the store. While their customer service has been a point of contention for me, I've always appreciated their convenient location and extensive product range rather. When I mean customer service, I'm not so pleased with how their customer service is, in the sense that people get to wait for long before being attended to due to the massive amount of people coming in there. But then they offer a vast array of electronics and home appliances, catering to diverse customers' needs, from smartphones and laptops to gaming consoles, kitchen appliances. Their inventory is comprehensive. And just a side note, it's actually I heard that it has an affiliation with a German company, or should I say it's German owned. With this in mind, I'm eager to see what they have to offer me today.
¿16 Pro?
Sí,
Okay. 128.
sí, sí. No, 200 and.
This one, no? 200 and... It's just 5, 6, 6, 6.
Let me see. I like this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So at this point, I was actually finding out my identification number, because if you're gonna get any gadget in Spain, you need an identification number first and foremost before anything, even when you got your money. Okay.
Or something happened to your phone, you have a phone next day. Okay? It's a AppleCare. This one is a or 1 year or monthly, okay, and you get it for.
Okay, guys, so the clip you just watched before this one was him trying to convince me to opt into AppleCare. Prior to me buying the phone, some folks say AppleCare, I don't know, some persons call it a mini form of like money wastage, and I was just undecided on whether to go into it you know at that instance, because coming from Android, I have had my phone over years and I'm just like, should I go into it? Okay, this is where the payment was made. And side note, guys, if you're gonna buy any gadgets in Spain, please and please always wait for your receipts at the counter, because in case anything happens, that is what you're gonna provide as an evidence. I do know why I'm saying this, okay? It's been a roller coaster of emotions, me trying to, get my device. At this point, I was like, well, just give it to me. I got it here. So happy. My plan was actually to do an unboxing in the house, but then I was told I must put a screen guard, a customized screen guard there at the store. So I was like, can't I take it home and put it myself? And the guy was like, no, you just have to put it there. I'm like, okay. What about my unboxing video? He said, you can do it here. Just put the phone on the table and video it. Hope you guys like it. It's not like the best unboxing video, but I really felt so special being the first person to open my device. Yes. Like, how do you feel when you got that thing that you always wanted? Well, I feel elated and I feel so happy right now. Guys, can you see the logo? Spot it out. It's so cool. Wow, so this is iPhone. Like, this is my first iPhone. No, I used to have a small iPhone back then in school, but that was not really the kind of iPhone you should say you have an iPhone. So this is basically my first best iPhone. What do you think, guys, of the iPhone 16 Pro? This is it. What do you think? The phone has this feel of you're holding something durable, not too big, not too small, just perfect size and all that. Well, this is the cable. Actually, I was expecting a charger, but then this is what you get for the Earth's going towards a sustainable route, I guess. Okay, guys, fast forward to where we actually put in the customized screen guard. You can see the machine there. That's the machine that prints out I guess it's a glass surface or whatsoever to put on the screen. Side note, guys, for those that are actually looking to buy a device in the future in Spain, and maybe you want a device like an iPhone or something expensive that has a big name or whatsoever, you can actually go for financing options. This options is the one that allows you to pay instrumental payments, either monthly fees of a designated amount, whereby you need your income statement, your salary report, and sometimes you're not promised to get the financing you applied for, because I think they give it to an insurance company first, who are going to vent and decide if your salary and if your work history is actually sufficient enough for you to get that phone. So sometimes it's better to just save up and buy the device.
For that?
The pouch, can you help me put it?
The pouch is better, not now, in 1 hour.
Okay.
Because now
You need
the
to
cover,
try.
no? Now it's already put in the screen protector. And
Okay.
maybe if you put it now, it's
Okay.
Oh, so it's video message.
No está bien. Ahí te llegó. Okay, now, okay, my conceal is let it 1 hour
Okay.
like this, the box, okay, because it's already the liquid, maybe you move it, okay? In 1 hour, it's okay, you can put the cover and use it normally, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Uña es peligroso, David. Cuidado, de guitarra. De guitarra. Uña de guitarra, ¿viste? And nothing.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Same
okay?
to you.
Enjoy.
Tamara.
Merry Christmas for everyone.
En español. En español.
Pues, feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz
Thank you
Navidad.
so much. Hello, folks. As you can see, I just got my phone from Media Markt. The customer care was amazing. Usually, we normally have longer waiting hours on a good day, but then today was a bit faster, and it was kind of, the service was respectful, and I really like it. I have my new phone now. Buying a technological gadget in Spain shouldn't cost tooth and nail. I'm going to drop a video on other options in case you don't want to patronize MediaMart, but then I can vouch for MediaMart and say they are trying. Feliz Navidad. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel.